Oh, big fish. Dude, nice fish on the dry. Oh, oh, Casey. Guys, morning. It is day is it? Day 3. No, day 4 in Idaho on the South Fork of the Snake. But today we are not fishing the South Fork of the Snake. We are fishing a small creek that will remain unnamed. That may be near here, may not be near here. I don't know. But I'm gonna leave the drift boats here. I'm gonna be fishing my Douglas. Let me show you. Douglas LRS, it's a 9-foot 5-weight, sweet rod. Yeah, I'm gonna weight her up. I think we're just gonna be doing some like big dry flies with a little dropper rig, and we should be able to catch up quite a few fish, so let's get after it. Well, I was trying to show you guys a moose, but it's gone. What is up, you guys? Okay, we've arrived at the spot. It is so freaking pretty up here. This is insane. I'll give you a quick little pan. The water color looks real nice. It's like a little bit off, but not too off. It's pretty up here, but it's also pretty bad weather. So I'm gonna put this away, and we're gonna catch some fish on some dry flies, maybe some streamers. There's potential for some really big cutthroat, so let's get after it. Alrighty, this is on the menu today. Little jig streamer. I don't have a floating line, so I kind of got to go with a heavier bug. But this is gonna absolutely whack fish. Oh baby! Oh baby! First cast fish, baby! Jig streamer, baby! Woo! No! He's all wrapped up. Yep. Got him. Yeah! Big cutty. On the streamer, baby. Quick, easy. Later, buddy. Today's gonna be a great day. What is that? Like a bigger purple thing. This will work. Is that a little? Yeah. Little caddis. That's a little drake. That'll work. Drake will work. All right, mooch. Good luck. Some of your.
I think I've enough flies for me in my life.
All right, so I switched to a small dry fly, and now I think I'm gonna catch a fish in the water. Casey just didn't catch one in. As you can tell, these are the best dry fly fishing conditions we've ever seen. Just super perfect. But this is actually a really nice little section of river, a really nice run. Actually surprising to get an eat on that cast. Anybody? Anybody? Bueller? Bueller? Nope. Oh, there we go. That's the one. If there's a fish there that wants to eat a dry fly, that's where he's gonna eat it. But there's not a fish there that wants to eat a dry fly. Oh yeah! Doubled up with Casey. He hit that so hard. Dang, that like actually startled me.
I wasn't watching when mine ate.
Yeah, I was like, mine was at my feet and it just hit it. And I was like, oh gosh. I think Casey's might be bigger. I think Casey takes the cake. The Dink Fest Casey has won the Dink Fest.
I won the Dink Fest.
Which is a battle that I'll give him. I'll let him have that.
Have it. Give me the crown there.
Give him the crown. Send this gorgeous little cutty. Let's see yours. Ooh. Yeah, just barely.
Barely.
Later, guys. Oh, big fish. Dude, nice fish on the dry. Oh, oh, Casey. I mean, in contrast to the other ones, an 18-inch cutty is a pretty nice fish. Dude, what a toad.
Stallion.
What the heck?
Look at that guy.
He's probably like 16, but he's all wrapped up. That is a sick fish. Well, Casey has now hooked my line, bringing the level of difficulty up a touch. Here, you're good. Just leave it for. I'll just land him. Oh, oh.
That's a beautiful.
That is a stud fish, dude. When I saw him come up, I was like, no way.
Oh, yeah.
He came up and sharked it, dude. Oh, that's so sick.
I need my fly back.
Look at that fish.
You want to get a picture?
Yeah, let's get a picture of him real quick. I'm just gonna hold him by the tail. Oh, never mind. He's gone. All right, later, buddy. We'll get some more of those.
I remember that. That was
sick,
awesome.
dude. That was awesome. Oh, dude, he's just so slow. Just like,
So fun.
he's like, oh, gosh. I want more of that. So much more of that. Oh, more. Oh, that was another good fish. No. That was another big fish. No. There you go. Yeah. Dude, you got a bunch of this bug. You got a bunch of this bug, yeah. This is so fun. I can't believe how big that cutty was now in comparison to that fish. Later, buddy. Oh, oh, big fish. Oh, dude, he missed it completely. Oh God. Come up, come do it again, please. Eat it again. That was such a toad. Ah! Dude, right in front of me. Like on this inside pocket of the seam. Yeah, super close. That bird almost ate my dry fly, so that's how you know it's good.
I've had a few days that were like 10, 15 days.
Nice. Oh, another fish. Came up and just freaking munched it. Oh, there you go. There's a better fish. Oh, off. Dang it. Casey just had a big flash on his dry fly. Bummer. Are you? Yeah. Did you get him, that big one? No! No! Is that the big boy? That looked like a big fish. No! Did he eat it again? Oh my gosh, what a cast. What a cast. Clearly not the right cast because it didn't catch a fish, but a cast nonetheless. I also think we should hit this run. Right. Oh, there he is. Oh no! Oh, did you see how big it was?
It was big. What were you doing?
I was turning around to walk away and it was swinging. Better fish. Way better fish. Whoa. There you go.
Nice, buddy.
That's a nice fish. In Casey's sloppy seconds. He had fished that run before me.
No, I did not.
Oh, that's a great cutty.
Oh yeah, dude. Great fish.
I won't repeat what Casey said. Bye, fish. Oh, there you go.
Fish on for Andrew.
Oh, baby. Only megas.
Hook up the winch.
Only megas for me.
Mega town.
Oh, dude. Big nose just now. Came up to it and didn't eat it. Oh my gosh, that was a big nose. Right there. Oh, see? Yeah, oh, that's a big fish, dude. Big fish. That was the nose that came up and like, be careful of those sticks. You got 4X on so you can put some heat on him, but that's a great fish, dude.
That's one I want a picture of.
Dude, That's bigger than the one I got. That's a big fish. Nice, dude.
I just turned my GoPro off too.
Did you?
Shut
Always keep it on. I got mine. Actually, I had mine on.
Hooked into a big old fish. Andrew said, "Oh, big head, big head." I mean, it's not a giant, but look at that.
Oh,
this little river.
Look at that thing, dude.
This little river, that thing's awesome.
That's such a sick fish. Yeah. Do we have a...
Just right there. As cool as a fish you can catch on this river. With the ones and the twos.
Oh, there's a rise down there.
The old dry shake?
No, do the dry shake after.
Really?
Oh, actually,
No, you got dry
yeah, never mind. Hey, that's a good fish too.
Oh, no.
Look at me go, I'm catching fish. Man, this is so much nicer than fishing the truckee and catching 2 fish in a day.
Yeah.
Dude, these hooks so deep. All right, later fish. Yep, they'll eat it. That's a better fish too. Dude, that's another good fish.
Good fish?
Big chromer. Look at that fish.
Chromed out.
Look at that thing.
Chromies with my homie.
Oh, baby. Homie chromie time. That's such a hot fish.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that fish, dude. It's a great fish. Oh. Oh, and he's quick release. Later, buddy. Oh, Casey! Casey! Dude, big fish. I'm all wrapped on my reel. No! What is happening? All right, I gotta be like...
Oh, dude, that's a stone.
Oh, it's a toad. Dude, how am I wrapped on this?
Are you gonna want to walk down there?
I gotta get... Yeah. He's wrapped up, dude. Got him out, got him out. Dude, I gotta deal with this. Got it. Dang. What a stud, dude. That's sick.
How cool is that?
Let's go down. Well, I don't think we can access it down.
You're gonna have to walk around that way.
That way?
Yeah. We're pulling up the falls.
I can't tell how deep it is.
Thanks, this is a great video. Dude, that's a stud, dude.
That's a toad. Should I just jump? Should I just jump? He'll break it.
There.
What a stud, dude.
Grab the dick real quick.
Yeah, it's on the phone, works. What a stud. Now how do I get out of here? I'm here forever. He ate right there. Ready? Oops. Nice. Ready?
Oh, I'm gonna catch a fish
Right here. Casey, I'm about to catch a fish. You're gonna want to see this.
Alright, Andrew keeps catching fish right here. Bow and arrow and tactic here. Oh, no way!
I told you!
No way!
And I hit the leaf. It didn't even go where I wanted it to. It like hit the leaf and fell straight down. And then this fish, the moment it landed, was like, I'm eating that.
I want that.
It probably was the perfect presentation. Looked like a little caddis falling out of a tree. All right, new fly, new me, and it's in my finger. Oh! Whoa, 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 big fish. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's a toad. Holy shit. Whoa. Jeez. Look at that fish. Oh. It's all right. When I saw his nose and I hooked it and he just ran straight down, I was like, oh my gosh, that's a toad. But I mean, it's a nice, that's a really cool fish for this tiny of a river. No, I landed 4 fish on the stimmy and then I lost it. Oh no, I missed another one. Nice, big fish. So sick. I don't know if you guys even saw that. The GoPro was turned down. But every time we've fished these little spots like this, we've gotten a couple really nice fish out of them. It's another really pretty, healthy cutthroat. Hey, buddy. Oh, there's one too. Nice. Little guy, but still super fun. Managed to, oh, he unhooked himself. Easy. There you go. Bass toss. Hey, buddy. Mega fish. Oh, dude, this fish has a swivel and a hook in its stomach. Yeah, like somebody was bait fishing and it ate it, and it broke him off somehow on, this swivel has to be tied onto 80-pound test. All right, all I can do is bite that off and hope that he makes it. Later, buddy.
This is perfect. You can stand right here and fish both sides.
Unless someone's, oh, that's a good fish.
Woo!
Dope. Nice, that was rad. Casey, I caught a bigger fish. It's a big boy.
Oh yeah, dude, that's a good one.
I like thick boys, itty fatty boys. Oh no, she's definitely spawning, dude. Thanks, Brooks.
Oh yeah.
What pretty fish? No! Double! Out of my hole. Oh, I got bit on my forehead by a mosquito. Oh, there's one in my eyebrow. So Paul is skating a kind of a small, is it a Morris mouse? What are you fishing?
It's called the cheeky mouse.
The cheeky mouse, that's a Rainey's pattern, right? Yep. Yeah. So he's fishing like a small, it's like a size 4? 6? 4?
6, yeah, it's a little one.
Fishing a little mouse and he's skating it down right here through this timber. And he's gotten a couple chases and just now had a fish eat it right in front of him. We need a full committal though. They're kind of just like nipping at it. That last one seemed like a little bit of a swirl though.
A bit more of a swirl.
Yeah. Crazy. Oh! Oh! That's a big fish, man. Did you poke him?
No.
No? Okay, good. Oh, you got one on the mouse?
Yeah.
Yes! Nice, dude. Get him in the net! Nice, man. That's so awesome. Yeah, I gotta get a picture of it. Okay. Those are good. That'll be fun. Hey. Nice, dude. That's sick.
That was awesome.
So cool.
I'm like, I know they eat it.
They have to eat.
It was just right there. Stand it back up in that run.
That's such a sick place to get that eat too. Looking right down at it.
Like, oh, I'm like, I just saw it. Eat it. I'm like, oh, that's it.
That's the one. All right, gang. We are done fishing. Honestly, had a epic day of fishing. Seems like everybody caught a ton of fish. I bet between our whole, we had like 8 people up here, but between our whole crew, we probably landed 120 fish. It's pretty ridiculous. 125?
125.
Excuse me. We caught 125 fish. Casey caught 120 of those.
Yeah, and I know everyone else caught 5. That's how I know that.
Caught 5 total?
Yeah, and I caught 120.
That's fair. That's very fair. Today was honestly a little bit of a change of plans from the South Fork, but honestly I'm stoked that we did it because the biggest fish we landed today were bigger than the biggest fish we landed yesterday on the big river. So it was a really good time. And yeah, we don't really have much of a plan tomorrow. We can't decide if we want to come back here, maybe fish some other small creeks in this general vicinity, or go float the lower part of the South Fork, because there is a chance for salmon flies down there. Is that the thought process?
It's the thought process, but the flow's still down there at like 14. Yeah, they divert it.
Yeah, but they divert it.
That's after
before.
The
that's
diversion.
after the diversion. It's at 14.
They're not taking the water because of all the rain.
Yeah, so it's less than ideal because
14 down there.
it's just hard to call. That part down there is usually only at like 6, right?
And 14 down there because it's so tight. That's sketchy.
Yeah.
So you want to do it? I'm probably not doing it in a rubber.
You're doing a canoe though.
Oh, definitely.
Okay.
Take my canoe.
Yeah, but yeah, we're gonna head back to camp, make some dinner, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.